I started Women in Coding with Ksenia in April of 2016, and it was really out of a need that we both, we really were looking for coding classes and resources and mentorship in the Syracuse and Central New York area, and we really had a hard time finding something especially that was really inclusive of women. Anybody can attend our workshops, whether you're male or female, any age. You don't have to have familiarity with code already. We like to get more people involved who aren't familiar, and that way you'll have a place to come and continue your learning journey. So we've done classes in HTML and CSS, in JavaScript. We've done game development. Really my biggest moment with why I would want to get into it was just going to a workshop and seeing how interesting it was to create something yourself, and how empowering that is. We want to be able to provide opportunities for women so that they can feel empowered to continue and to feel confident in pursuing those careers. It's also important for men and women to mentor other women, because women shouldn't feel uneasy about working with other men or women within tech fields. I think seeing other women in the field and learning about their experience or learning about any of their struggles is really important. I think that will really help bridge a gap.
My current role is just to provide mentorship, hopefully answer some questions, some guidance into any particular problems that someone may be having with the code they're working on, or maybe some concepts, or maybe some direction on where they can find other answers. I've always wanted to have a mentor, and so working through my own sets of problems and issues and getting to where I am now, I really like the fact that I'm able to give back, and that's a huge honor for me. It doesn't really matter who you are. If you want to code, code. If you want to learn to code, learn to code. It's not a matter of where you're from or what you look like or what gender you are. It's a matter of what's up here and what you want to accomplish in your life. And if you want to code, go for it.
So it'd be similar to what I was just talking about, of everything, you click a CPM button and everything with a CPM class, I want that all to show and hide everything else. Well, instead of doing, it would actually be a little bit simpler. What you would do is just say, okay, if I click the CPM button, I want everything that has a CPM class.
Something like that.
Yeah, to have a background color of, whatever. And then you need to have a remove button so that it would remove everything eventually.
Yeah, I love CSS.
I have been a teacher in the group, and then recently joined them as a mentor and part of the leadership team. A lot of the things that I really like languages and problem solving and helping people, really converge inside of tech. It's easy for tech to feel closed off from regular people, and I think that there's a lot more people that have capability with computers than are willing to approach that world. A lot of people, particularly coming to community events, can feel very much afraid of I don't have that much experience with this, I don't really know what I'm doing, I don't belong here. And so trying to create an environment where people can feel fine coming and saying, I don't know stuff about this, but I want to know, is really important to me.
Get out there and explore what is actually available to you, and meet other people that are involved in it already, so you can ask questions and understand the steps you need to take. That's exactly what Women in Coding is all about.